Let's read. Say the sounds loudly, blend them and read with me. Are you ready? Let's start. At, pat, a, dog, dog, pat a dog. A, t, n, tin, k, a, n, can, a tin can. A, ed, red, h, n, hen, a red hen. A, wet, wet, rag, a wet rag. A, hot, hot, pan, a hot pan. Cups, cups, and mugs, cups and mugs. A, dog, dog, on, a, log, a dog on a log. A, fat, fat, cat, a fat cat. Dad, dad, is, sad, sad. Dad is sad. A, red, red, tent, a red tent. A, cat, cat, in, a, hat, a cat in a hat. Ducks. C and K, these two letters together make only one k sound. Ducks. And hens. Ducks and hens. Now you can mute the video and try reading on your own. Start from the beginning. Thanks for watching. See you soon.